Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to ask AllTrails for money back. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To request a refund from AllTrails, what you need to do is first head over to your AllTrails app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon right here on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it here on the top, you'll be seeing the gear icon right here. Simply tap on that, and then once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down, and then under support you'll have an option that says help center. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here tap on help center. On the search bar, simply type in refund and then tap on search. Once you do that, here tap on requesting a refund for AllTrails subscription. Once you're there, scroll all the way down, and then here you'll have an option that says request a refund directly to Apple. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here what you need to do is follow the instructions to successfully get your money back. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.